We're interrupting our scheduled programming to get you some big breaking news on India Today. This is the latest in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. Rhea Chakrabarti has filed a petition in the Supreme Court alleging that Sushant's relative, who is an ADG in the Haryana police, is possibly behind the FIR that's been filed by the Bihar police. And she's accused the family of influencing the probe. She also alleges that Sushant Singh Rajput's friend Siddharth Pithani was asked by the ADG to raise questions about her. The plea claims that ADG OP Singh on 27 July asked Siddharth to give a statement to the Bihar police and to talk against Rhea Chakrabarti. Remember, Siddharth's friend Pithani, Sushant's friend Pithani had in fact written an email to the Mumbai police about being pressurized, and Rhea Chakrabarti has in fact in her petition in the Supreme Court made a mention of this, saying that it is the ADG in Haryana, who is a relative of Sushant Singh Rajput, who's piling pressure and framing this conspiracy against her. So this is the statement that she's made in her petition to the Supreme Court, where she's asked for the probe to be transferred from the Bihar police to, in fact, the Mumbai police, because Rhea Chakrabarti's contention is that the Bihar police cannot conduct an impartial probe in this particular matter, stating that there is a conspiracy here to frame her in the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us with more details on this. Pankaj, stunning allegations being made here by Rhea Chakrabarti in her petition in the Supreme Court. Just break down what really she's saying about the kind of influence that she claims Sushant's friend is in fact under.
Yes, now a big revelation coming out after what the chartered accountant of Sushant Singh had said yesterday, rubbishing the allegations made by Sushant's family. Now we have the even deeper, interesting details that have been put in the petition by Rhea Chakrabarti in front of the Apex Court, where she talks about the presence of larger influence behind the filing of the FIR in Patna. Now, I will give you the details. Now, I'll try and break up the details here. Rhea Chakrabarti accuses in the petition in front of the Supreme Court that the late actor's relative, ADG Haryana Police, is possibly behind the FIR that has been filed in Patna. Now, this is really big. She says that it was Sushant Singh Rajput's friend, Siddharth Pithani, who was asked by him to raise the questions against her. Now, these are two very big allegations, the pointers in the petition,
yes,
which says that probably under the influence of Sushant Singh Rajput's relative that this FIR was lodged
But Pankaj, what does this also mean?
In Bihar.
And you know, there's some details that are coming in, Pankaj, about how Pithani, who is Sushant's, in fact, friend, he had written an email to the Mumbai police saying that he's being pressurized. What's that about?
Exactly. She says not just the influence, but also one of the close friends of the late actor was also pressurized so that he could talk against her. Now these allegations are yet to be substantiated. We are yet to get a statement from either Rhea Chakrabarti's part or from the Mumbai police for that matter. But this allegation is huge, because not just it says, talks about the presence of influence behind filing of the FIR. It goes on to the extent of saying that the friends of Sushant Singh Rajput were pressurized to talk against her. As I've been saying, this is an ongoing investigation. A lot of back and forth are taking place. Bihar police was here within no time. A lot of politics is also taking place here.
Yes.
As we are seeing, the Congress leaders have been saying, how is it that the Bihar police is roaming around the city in Jaguars? We have MOS State, who has yesterday said that the Bihar police did not abide by the various protocols. They did not take permission from the Mumbai police, and that things should not be happening in the manner they are happening. Interestingly, now the Enforcement Directorate has also jumped in, and they have sought details from the Bihar police with regards to the allegation that around 15 crores was siphoned off. So developments are still taking place, but as far as the investigation goes, this matter seems to be getting very, very mysterious because of the new allegations counter allegations and new pointers and the revelations that are coming out.
In the petition that Riya Chakrabarti has filed in the Supreme Court, she's also attached a copy of this email that Siddharth Pithani sent to the Mumbai police, in which the subject says being pressurized to give false statements regarding late Sushant Singh Rajput. Let me just read the body of the letter also. It says, "Dear sir, this mail," and it's been marked to the Bandra police station. It says, "Dear sir, this mail is to inform you that I received conference phone calls from the family members of Sushant Singh, Mr. O.P. Singh, who is the Haryana ADG, who Riya has of course accused of conspiring to file this FIR, Ms. Meetu Singh, who is Sushant's sister, and an unknown number on 22nd July, and they asked me questions regarding Riya Chakrabarti and her expenses during her stay at Mont Blanc with Sushant. I received another phone call yesterday, that is 27th July, and Mr. O.P. Singh asked me to give a statement against Riya Chakrabarti to the Bihar police."
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.